Hello traders, welcome to Financia.com, and thanks for choosing our analytic tools. Today, we will discuss how to take advantage of the CSM feature of the Trend Screener Pro indicator in order to detect the most trending and volatile currency pairs in the Forex market. Let's start this Financia live tutorial. So, once we attach the Trend Screener on the MetaTrader platform, it will display a Moody currency and multi-timeframe screener on the current chart without a trend CSM exhibition. Here, traders must open the indicator settings, then enable the Display CSM feature to obtain a currency trend strength summary at the top right corner of the chart. Now let's begin the CSM analysis. The logic behind the CSM tool is so simple. In one sentence, the CSM analytic tool allows you to recognize the most volatile currency pairs during the day. Hence, it allows you to distinguish trending currency pairs from ranging ones through trend strength scores. Note that currencies with higher CSM scores are the most volatile by trend strength. So, trend traders have better focus on trading strongly trending currencies against weakly trending currencies, and vice versa, in order to catch big trend waves. Alternatively, Forex traders have better choose to trade a strong currency with a high score against a weak currency with a low score, and vice versa, in order to catch currency pairs with high volatility and trade the trend continuation. Let's consider these examples. Here, the CSM feature reveals that AUD and CAD have very close scores. So very probably the AUD-CAD pair is ranging during the day. Let us discover this through the chart. Effectively, today the AUD-CAD pair was ranging all day. And it is not recommended to trade this pair as there is no defined clear trend. The CSM feature tool displays that CHF and GBP are strong currencies by trend strength. However, it also shows that AUD and CAD are weak currencies by trend strength. The logic here resides in going short with AUD, CHF, and CAD, CHF pairs, as the quote currency is stronger by trend strength. This is only done in conjunction with bearish confirmation signals like red arrows or red dots. Similarly, going long with GBP, AUD, and GBP, CAD pairs as the quote currency is weaker by trend strength. This is only done in conjunction with bullish confirmation signals like green arrows or green dots. Thanks for watching.